Throttle position sensor is mounted on the throttle body, which is on top of the intake, driver's side of the engine. First thing you're going to do is remove the connector, and that's a push down on this top tab. Slide it out. And there's 2 bolts holding it to the throttle body, and it's a T20, which is a Torx 20. So you can get a bit in there. I'm going to use a ratchet wrench to loosen it up. Get that little screw completely out. Try not to drop it. Take the last mounting bolt off. And the sensor might just come right out with it. There it is. To reinstall, just take the new sensor in reverse procedure. There is no adjustment on this throttle body position sensor. Some of them do. This one does not. It's spring loaded, so you're going to make sure that you line up the flat rod with the angle of that, and then spring load it to the center of the bolts. And as soon as you feel a thread start by hand, you can put the other one in. I'm just going to go back and forth. Don't bottom one side out completely. Try to do it in a equal form on both sides. The sensor is made of plastic, and you don't want it to crack the sensor. There is no torque spec on this, so just snug it down, bottom it out, maybe give it 1/8 of a turn on both screws. Then reconnect your connector till it clicks into place, and you're ready to go.